Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm making beef karahi, 3 medium-sized onion, green chili, garlic, ginger, beef 500 grams, add some water, salt 1 tsp, turmeric powder 1 tsp. Close the pressure cooker lid. Open the cooker after 10 minutes. Take a frying pan and add 1 cup of oil to it. Now add beef to this. Add tomato. Roast it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, coriander powder 1 tsp, garam masala, red chili powder 1 tsp, Kashmiri red chili. Now add turmeric powder. Yogurt 3 tsp. Almost ready. Garnish with green chili and coriander leaves. Subscribe my channel. Beef karahi is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.